Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Apple Music offline mode not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. You may need an internet connection to turn on offline mode. You can simply go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and head into your settings in music and make sure that your offline mode is properly turned on. If not, turn off and turn it on. If that is not the case, you might also need to simply go ahead and check your downloaded content by simply heading into your library and download it. You can also make sure that music is downloaded, because if you don't have downloaded music, then of course it's not going to be working. Also check that you have enough storage. Low storage can also cause downloads to fail or offline mode to stop working. If that is not the case, you might also need to allow cellular downloads or even reset your network by going into settings, general, and then reset iPhone, reset and reset network settings. Finally, if none of it works, you might need to simply sign out and sign back in, or even re-download your music. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.